Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free gifts on Temu without inviting friends. So you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Temu app, and you need to open the first app, click on open and log into your account. So here you can see that new user gift, win $200, spin to win. So you simply need to click on that and you need to play this game and you can win up to $200 that you can use to buy gifts from the Temu. So currently this is for the new users only, and here you can see that, and you need to click on OK, and here you can see that you can earn $20, 200, 100 and $20. So it is for new users only, and here you not need to invite any friends. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.